And so I'm referencing this design from Dobry Designs. Really like that guy. He has some really great videos explaining Ultra 4 front suspension design, and I learned a lot from him. So he has some really cool chromoly assemblies for both rear trailing links and lower control arms for Ultra 4. And I think he designs cars for Jordan Pellegrino. So he definitely knows what he's talking about. And so I decided for this one to go with billet 7075. And then what I want to do is wrap this whole part in chromoly plating on the thinner parts. So the reason for that is if I was to fabricate something like this out of sheet metal, it's just way beyond my fabrication skills, and getting everything to be super precise when you're welding chromoly sheet is really hard because you have to design a bunch of fixtures around it as well. Whereas a billet part like this, although it might not be as strong as chromoly, it's going to be a lot lighter, and you're going to be able to put a lot more precise features in there, especially for these two shock mounts. So some of these holes that you're seeing here are assembly clearances so that I can fit bolts in there and make sure that the shocks can go in, those heat treated stainless inserts can go in, and the 1-inch grade 8 bolts can go in as well. So these heat treated stainless inserts, this is not an off the shelf parts. I emailed the guys at 74 Weld to see where they get theirs, and they said they build them in-house because it's just a simple lathe operation on bar stock to make those, and then you send them out for heat treating. So that makes perfect sense. Plus everything in this design is custom so far except for the bolts, basically. So I see no issue with that. Right now I'm sort of chasing my tail on this assembly because I can't figure out why that part is mated the way that it is, and it's still rotating. Whenever you're in a SolidWorks assembly, if you see a little minus sign in a parentheses at the front of a part, that means that that part is unconstrained in at least one dimension. And for stuff like this, every part in this assembly should be fixed because nothing is moving. Whereas in the upper assembly, you want some stuff to be fixed and some stuff to be moving for cycling. So just trying to figure that out. I ended up finding that it was a circular mate that was not locked in rotation. So figured that out later.